Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off FaceTime notification alerts for lock screen, notification center, and banners on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here tap on FaceTime. Next, in FaceTime, go down and tap on Notifications. Then we scroll down, and in the Alerts section, you can turn on or turn off lock screen. So if you switch it on, then you will get alerts on the lock screen. And for notification center, if you switch it on, when you swipe down your notification center, you will get your FaceTime notifications in here. Otherwise, you can choose to turn it off. The same for banners. If this is turned on, you will get a pop-up banner to notify you of FaceTime messages. Otherwise, you can switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.